An idea is just an idea without support. Queensland can help that idea become a real-world solution.
How do we help farmers do more with less, be more efficient, more cost-effective? The ecosystem in Queensland starts right back at research and development.
People that are prepared to take risks and try new things.
To collaborate, share ideas, resources, connections to drive AgTech forward.
The diversity of Queensland's agricultural landscape really lends itself to real-world testing and validating your solution with end users.
There's enormous variability across the size of farms, across production systems, commodities, climate.
Really tough environments to test these technologies out on. If it works here, it can work anywhere. The Queensland Government's been a great driver in accelerating AgTech growth. We're already developing global businesses.
The door is open for innovation.
It's hard for me to even comprehend the possibility.